Hi, my little friends. So Mini is once again back with you at your own learning platform, Learn Forward, with your grammar book, The Grammar Hub by Feathered Cap. We are going to start chapter 15 of your book, Parts of a Sentence. Parts of a sentence? Yes, just like we have different parts of body, so has each sentence. What are those parts? Let's learn about them. Which of these groups of words are actually sentences? So we have these groups of words. Color the boxes that have sentences. So which of these are sentences, you have to tell. Mehul is carrying a bag. Do you think it's a sentence? Oh yes, that's wonderful. So Mehul is carrying a bag is a sentence. Okay. What about bag carrying a is Mehul? No. So we are not going to color it. Meena slowly. Not a sentence. Are you sure? Okay. Will not color. Ria walks slowly. Is it? Yes, it is. So let's color. Rohan cricket plays well. Is that fine? No, it's not a sentence. Okay, look at the last one. Avi plays cricket daily. Are you sure? Okay, yes, that's perfect. This is also a sentence. So at least by reading, you can understand what is a sentence, which of these are sentences, which are not. That's brilliant. Let's move ahead now. And let's understand what is a sentence. As you just noticed here, sentence is a group of words like other groups also, but all the groups of words are not sentences. Why? Only when the group of words makes a complete sentence, it gives a complete meaning. Only such groups of words are called sentences. Yes. And anyhow, you have to remember two very important things about a sentence. One is a sentence always starts with a capital letter. And second is you have to put a full stop or a question mark. I hope you are familiar with these marks. This is a full stop and this is a full stop like this, and this is a question mark. So start the sentence always with a capital letter and make sure there should be one of these marks at the end if it is a sentence, right? So let's see about sentences. It is a group of words that gives you a complete meaning, and it always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark. Let's read this. The playing is child. It's a group of words, not a sentence. And how do you write sentence from it? The child is playing. That's perfect. Eating is lady the. It is a group of words, not a sentence. And see, when we make a sentence with the same words, we get the lady is eating. And yes, the lady is eating. This is a perfect sentence, but it was not. And similarly, here also, my this is house. No. This is my house. It becomes a sentence. That is perfect. So what you see is when the same words are arranged in such a way that they give you a complete meaning, then only it is a sentence, right? So can we move ahead? Now we must know that there are two main parts of a sentence. The first part is the subject and the second part is the predicate. Now what is subject, what is predicate? Whenever we write or read a sentence, we speak a sentence, what we see is we are talking about something in that sentence, isn't it? So whatever we are talking about in the sentence is called the subject. What's the subject, right? That means what are we going to talk about here? So that is the subject of the sentence. We talk about. What do we talk about? That is the subject, and what we talk about it. Whatever you are saying about that subject in the sentence, all that rest of the part is the predicate. And what you have to remember here is the predicate starts with a verb. It will be very easy for you to pick out, to separate the two parts of the sentence, right? How? Let us see here. So we have two columns here, A and B. In column A, all the subjects for all the sentences are written, and in column B, it is the predicate. That means the rest of the part. So what is subject? what we are talking about in a sentence is the subject. And whatever we are talking about the subject, that rest of the part is called the predicate. Let's see how. My father, excuse me, my father. Now, what am I talking about my father? My father is the subject, is reading a newspaper. So, I am telling something about my father. Is reading a newspaper is the predicate. I can say, my father. What do I want to tell about my father? Goes to office. So, goes to office is another predicate for the sentence. I can say, my father takes me on a picnic. So, that is takes me on a picnic. I am telling about my father. So, that is the predicate. So, there are so many things you can say about my father. My father is the subject and rest of the part is the predicate. Let's read more of them. The cow. What can you say about cow? The cow is white. The cow is black and white. The cow is brown. The cow is a domestic animal. The cow gives us milk. So many things you can say about the cow. So the cow is the subject about which I am talking. And what am I saying here about the subject? Let's read. The cow is grazing in the field. So this is the predicate. I hope you are understanding. Okay, let's read more. Some little parrots. So here in this sentence, I am talking about some little parrots. That is the subject. What am I talking about them? Are flying over the trees. I can also say are chirping, are green in color, are beautiful, are in the cage, are talking with me. So, are flying over the trees is the predicate in this sentence here, right? So, for this subject, this is the predicate. The sun. What do you want to say about the sun? I am talking about the sun in this sentence. So, this is the subject. And what am I talking about it? Shines brightly. So, this is the predicate, the sun. Let's say more things about the sun and give other predicates to it. Yes, the sun gives us heat and light. Oh, good answer. The sun rises in the east. See, another one is saying the sun sets in the west. Wow, the sun is round ball of fire. Very nice. So, we can say so many things about the sun. So, the sun is the subject and whatever way you are completing the sentence, whatever you are speaking about the sun, that all is the predicate. And what you check out here is, let's see here on the board, these are starting with predicate every time is starting with, yes, a verb. May it be a helping verb or some other action, right? So, the predicate you can just separate through this also. This is giving you the rest of the predicate, right? So, I hope you have understood what is subject and what is predicate. Let's quickly do an exercise here. Read each set of words. Put a tick mark, write in the box if it is a sentence and cross if it is not a sentence. I hope that you can do. All the students? No. We went to school yesterday? Perfect. See, just starting something, group of words with a capital and ending it with a full stop will not make it a sentence. Please be careful. Okay? It should be meaningful also. My friends are in Mumbai? Yes, that is. Ria's father. What? Don't know anything. It's not giving a complete meaning. Good. We went to see circus day to the... Oh no, it's not making any sense. My father is enjoying his tea. Good answer. Yes, that is a sentence. Now here you have some groups of words. Put these groups of words in the correct order. How? To make sentences. So we'll just rearrange them as we have done. We have seen in the examples. Same words were put into perfect sentences. We'll be doing that here. Remember to use capital letter and full stop. That is very important. A has tiger strips. Good. So what you are saying? A tiger has strips. So by just crossing out or by underlining, we make sure that we are using each of the words that are given. And I write here a tiger will be capital, has stripes. And I'll put a full stop at the end. In sun shines the sky, the sun. We have already done the use of articles. Yes, before sun we will use the. The sun, what does it do? Yes, the sun shines in the sky. Very good. So T will be capital, children. The sun shines in the sky. Next, R of proud, we country are. Who is proud? We. We are proud. Proud of what? Of our country. And you get your sentence here. We are proud of our country and everybody should. Yes. Red is the rose. Is red the rose? No. The rose is red. We'll not use rose is the red. No. We do not use the before the color. So, the rose is red. I hope you can write these two. Kite, the is flying. The kite is flying. Very good. So, you have the answers. Please finish them up. And let's quickly recall what we have learned. What is sentence? It's a group of words that makes complete meaning, complete sense. And then we have learnt about the two parts of the sentence, the subject and the predicate. Sentence means what are you talking about, and predicate means what you are talking about the sentence. So these are the two parts of the sentence, and remember that predicate will start with the verb, may it be the helping verb or some action. So this was all in learning. If you have understood, let's quickly check out from this exercise. Complete the following sentences with the help of clues. So the postman dash. You have to pick out from the box here. What goes with it? Postman has a long neck. Delivers letters. Oh yes, the postman is the subject and we are telling that the postman delivers letters. The postman wears khaki uniform. The postman works very hard. The postman brings us letters. So there are different things, and from here it will be delivers letters. Dash gives us milk. Now the subject is missing. Good. The cow gives us milk. A monkey. Oh, let's see what about the monkey. Can peel a banana. This will be number 3. So this is the subject, this is the predicate. Dash is an insect. What is an insect? The mosquito. So this subject was missing, we have provided. The giraffe. Yes, the first one is correct now. Has a very long neck. So we have provided the predicate. Dash is arriving at platform number 1. So what is arriving? The train. And here you go with the correct subject combination. Let's do another exercise. Match the right subject and predicate parts. So we'll just see Rahul. What goes with Rahul? The cow. What goes? Oh, it's here. The cow gives us milk. So the ones that you know, you can just quickly do them. The train. What is it? Runs on rails. Yes. Jaipur. What do you know about Jaipur? Okay, it's a beautiful city. Rahul and Vibhu, because we are talking about two, be sure about the verb. So we get plural verb here. So Rahul and Vibhu are brothers. The sky. What do you know about sky here? The sky is, oh, not my friend. We mismatched it. Sorry. The sky is clear today. Is clear today. The lion. What about the lion? Cannot be my friend. The lion lives in a cave. My father is my friend or has a scooter. Yes, of course, your father can be your friend also. We can go with both. My father has a scooter, and then Rahul is my friend, and we are done. That's the easy way out. So first we'll mark what no other option can be done. So we are confident, and the remaining we can just check out. Sometimes the verbs also help you out. So this was all about sentences. how we write them, start with a capital letter, end up with a full stop or a question mark. Then the two parts of the sentences, that is the subject and the predicate. So we'll be looking forward for more sessions in English grammar. Till then, keep learning, keep having lots of fun, children. Have a nice day. Happy learning.